Introducing the Bionic Swift, a marvel by Festo that fulfills the dream of bird-like flight. This project seamlessly blends ultralight construction, coordinated flying behavior, and intelligent networking. Each bird boasts onboard electronics, precisely controlling its wings movement, mimicking the intricate design of bird feathers. With segments that fan out and close during flapping, the Bionic Swift achieves efficient flight and complex maneuvers, including loops and steep turns. Enhanced by radio-based indoor GPS communication, it navigates its flight path, avoiding collisions. Inspired by swallows and futuristic autonomy, Bionic Swift embodies the harmony of nature and technology in flight.